You are standing in front of one of the most terrifyingly large fruit processing complexes on the planet. Every 5 minutes, a heavy-duty truck arrives, carrying the soul of the richest tangerine farms. Our challenge today is an unimaginable number. 75 tons of tangerines must be cleaned and processed in exactly 60 minutes. Look at this orange waterfall, a visual explosion that you rarely get to witness anywhere else. The sound of tens of thousands of tangerines colliding with the water creates a symphony of freshness. Water acts as a cushioning layer, ensuring that not a single peel cell is damaged when falling from a height of 3 meters. An artificial current is designed to push 1.2 tons of tangerines every minute deep into the factory. Chaos begins to be brought into order as hydraulic guides squeeze them into individual running lanes. Before going deeper, a high-speed vibrating screen system will completely separate impurities, branches, and leaves. At Tech Kit, purity is the top priority, and the screening process starts from the very first seconds. Now, we enter the white bath chamber, where the most stubborn dirt will be subdued. The multi-point nozzle system creates just enough water pressure to knock out bacteria while keeping the essential oil layer on the peel intact. Beneath are thousands of ultra-fine polymer fibers. They creep into every tiny pore on the tangerine peel for a deep clean. The continuous reverse rotation mechanism ensures that no blind spots on the fruit's surface are missed. All this water will be put into a circulating filtration system treated with UV rays before being reused. You can see a clear change. The original rough peel has now begun to reflect the factory lights. These jet turbines blow out a stream of dry air at 40 degrees Celsius to remove excess moisture immediately. Dryness is a mandatory condition for the optical sensors in the next step to operate most accurately. The vibrant orange color appears more intense than ever, a visual effect that highly stimulates the taste buds. Ready? 75 tons of tangerines will now be subdivided into the world's smartest sorting matrix. Each tangerine is now placed in an individual private seat to begin a comprehensive health check. This dark chamber contains a multispectral camera system, capable of capturing 60 frames per second for each individual. The AI algorithm will analyze the shape, looking for bruises, scars, or signs of pests as small as a pinhead. But beauty is not just on the outside. NIR, near-infrared, rays will see through the peel into the flesh. The computer will accurately calculate the sugar content and juiciness without having to cut open any tangerines. The processing speed reaches 15 fruits per second on each lane, faster than a human blink. Boom! A powerful compressed air jet just removed a tangerine with substandard sweetness from the line. They are not wasted. These fruits will be transferred to the juicing department or used for animal feed. Only the best athletes are allowed to proceed to the artistic packaging stage. The uniformity in size and color creates a highly satisfying image, like a digital work of art. Next is the most delicate stage, separating the orange peel to release the succulent tangerine segments inside. A slight thermal shock process expands the bonds between the peel and the fruit flesh, preparing for the molting. Look, the peel falls away gently like a jacket, without tearing even a single fiber of the fruit flesh. Under the factory lights, the peel-less tangerines shine like brilliant orange emeralds. The stubborn white fibers, albedo, will be swept away by pressure water, leaving only the pure fruit flesh. This smoothness is achieved thanks to natural enzymes, which help dissolve the fiber without affecting the internal structure. Without human hands, a gentle burst of compressed air separates each tangerine segment according to its natural structure. This sight is truly addictive. Tens of thousands of tangerine segments falling evenly, creating a liquid orange flow. This vibration helps the segments not to overlap, ready for the final inspection stage. Even the smallest tangerine seeds hidden deep inside cannot escape this ultra-sensitive X-ray lens. Absolute precision. Only seedless segments, perfect in shape, are allowed to go further. Cold from liquid nitrogen helps lock in freshness and original flavor at this very moment. Each fiber of the fruit flesh is full of water, waiting to bring a sense of explosion to the consumer. The rhythm of the machinery coordinates smoothly, each glass jar receiving exactly the number of segments according to the setting. A stream of pure syrup is poured down, creating an optical effect that enhances the brilliance of the product. Welcome to the territory of spider robots, the fastest athletes in the industrial world. With a margin of error of only 0.1 millimeters, each tangerine is placed so that the brand logo always faces the consumer. The suction force is finely adjusted to the point where it can lift a juicy tangerine without denting the peel surface. 75 tons per hour is a huge pressure, but with AI, everything still happens in absolute order. The protective film is wrapped tightly around the tray in just 0.2 seconds, protecting the freshness inside from oxidation. As the individual trays are secured, they are immediately grouped into shipping cases. High-speed taping units seal hundreds of boxes per minute with surgical precision. Every box is weighed to the gram to ensure consumer honesty and logistics accuracy. The massive palletizing robots take over the heavy lifting, organizing boxes into perfect cubes. Geometry meets efficiency as thousands of tangerines are concentrated into a single shipping unit. Stretch film anchors the load, preparing it for the rigors of global transport. Every pallet is tagged with its digital identity, tracking its journey from this exact moment. The finished units are moved to the cold storage buffer, maintaining the chain of freshness. The gateway to the deep chill. Temperatures here are strictly controlled to the decimal point. A mountain of oranges resting in the cold, waiting for the world's tables. This is the muscle of the factory. These pallet-grabbing robots can lift tons of goods as lightly as a feather. This high-speed rotation locks the cargo tight, ensuring absolute stability during global transport. Each box now has its own ID card, allowing us to trace its origin all the way back to the original farm. The cold storage doors open. Mist flows out as the temperature is kept at the ideal level to keep the orange heart in its best hibernation state. In the world of TechKit, humans only play a supervisory role. These AGVs know exactly where every package is located. The journey to the Great Sea begins here. 75 tons of tangerines every hour are ready to conquer every supermarket shelf. These shuttles will carry this fresh flavor across thousands of kilometers. When you hear the click of the can lid, that is the result of millions of calculations and top-tier technology. A record-breaking number, a testament to the power of automation and modern engineering mindset. Behind the inanimate machines are the minds of engineers who always crave perfection. From the farm to your hands, tangerines have never been so visually delicious and pure. Every movement is supported by high-precision components like these ceramic ball bearings, designed to handle thousands of RPM. The classification laser operates at a specific infrared wavelength to ensure the most accurate readings. The organic enzyme composition specifically targets the pectin bonds of the pith, ensuring a clean finish. This factory is a masterpiece of modern industrial design where every second counts. The conveyor surfaces are made of high-grade, non-stick materials to prevent any bruising during transport. High-efficiency motors provide the necessary torque to keep 75 tons moving every hour without fail. One touch initiates a chain reaction of millions of movements across the facility. This water screen acts as a final biological barrier before the fruit enters the clean zone. Every millisecond is captured by thousands of sensors monitoring flow and quality. Precision ground gears ensure that there is no deviation in the timing of the conveyor movements. Even the processors are kept at optimal temperatures to maintain peak AI analytical performance. Pneumatic pressure is stabilized to ensure consistent force for the air jet ejection systems. The flow is constant, guided by geometry and physics toward the packaging unit. Every joint movement is calculated to minimize energy use and maximize throughput. Final verification ensures that every shipment matches the digital order exactly. Our storage systems optimize space and air circulation to maintain peak product quality. The seal is set. The journey begins. This is more than a factory. It's a vital artery in the global supply chain. Millions of units of fruit pass through these halls every month. Automated systems operate 24/7 to ensure no delays in the process. Real-time data monitoring allows for instant adjustments to workflow. Collaboration is the key to maintaining this high level of industrial excellence. Miles of conveyor belts form the circulatory system of Tech Kit. Precision guiding prevents any loss or damage during high-speed transitions. Reliable drive systems are the heart of our continuous operation. We strive for 100% uptime and efficiency in every shift. Trust and technology go hand in hand at Tech Kit. Another shipment of quality fruit is on its way to you, bringing the harvest of the farms to the heart of the city. Preserved in its perfect state through the miracle of technology. 75 tons, 1 hour, 1 goal, mission accomplished. The journey of the Orange Tornado ends here, but your enjoyment is just beginning. Produced by the Tech Kit Media team. Directed by innovation. Follow us for more deep dives into the world's most impressive factories.